Tony Robbins is one of the best peak performance coaches in the world. He has been impacting millions of people's lives in a positive manner for decades. He is a true example of how one can use adversity to propel one's life to the heights of greatness. May these quotes help you to awaken the giant within you and have a lasting impact on your life. Here are some of Tony Robbins' most powerful and inspiring quotes that can lead you to change your life. There are no failures in life, just results. Goals are like magnets. They'll attract the things that make them come true. Stay committed to your decisions, but stay flexible in your approach. More than anything else, I believe it's our decisions, not the conditions of our lives, that determine our destiny. Setting goals is the first step in turning the invisible into the visible. Things are only impossible until somebody does what another believes can't be done. The only thing that's keeping you from getting what you want is the story you keep telling yourself. It's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives, but what we do consistently. Successful people ask better questions, and as a result, they get better answers. Success in life is the result of good judgment. Good judgment is usually the result of experience. Experience is usually the result of bad judgment. Things do not have meaning. We assign meaning to everything. Personal power is the ability to take action. You see, in life, lots of people know what to do, but few people actually do what they know. Knowing is not enough. You must take action. The only impossible journey is the one you never begin. Leaders spend 5% of their time on the problem or 95% of their time on the solution. Get over it or crush it. It's not knowing what to do, it's doing what you know. If you do what you've always done, you'll get what you've always gotten. It is in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. Every problem is a gift. Without problems, we would not grow. In life you need either inspiration or desperation. Why live an ordinary life when you can live an extraordinary one? The path to success is to take massive, determined action. It's what you practice in private that you'll be rewarded for in public. People who succeed at the highest level are not lucky, they're doing something differently than everyone else. Where focus goes, energy flows. There's always a way if you're committed. Live with passion. Anytime you sincerely want to make a change, the first thing you must do is to raise your standards. You don't have to have a reason to feel good you're alive, you can feel good for no reason at all. When you are grateful, fear disappears and abundance appears. Your past does not equal your future. When people are like each other, they tend to like each other. The quality of your life is the quality of your relationships. People are not lazy, they simply have important goals, that is, goals that do not inspire them. The only people without problems are those in cemeteries. The power of positive thinking is the ability to generate a feeling of certainty in yourself when nothing in the environment supports you. Whatever happens, take responsibility. If you want to be successful, find someone who has achieved the results you want and copy what they do and you'll achieve the same results. If you can't, you must. If you must, you can. People who fail focus on what they have to go through. People who succeed focus on what it will feel like at the end. One reason so few of us achieve what we truly want is that we never direct our focus, we never concentrate our power. Most people dabble their way through life, never deciding to master anything in particular. There's no abiding success without commitment. Changing an organization, a company, a country, or a world begins with the simple step of changing yourself. Action is the most important key to any success. The secret to living is giving. If you talk about it, it's a dream. If you envision it, it's possible. If you schedule it, it's real. I've come to believe that all my past failure and frustration were actually laying the foundation for the understandings that have created the new level of living I now enjoy. The way we communicate with others and with ourselves ultimately determines the quality of our lives. The more rejection you get, the better you are, the more you've learned, the closer you are to your outcome. If you can handle rejection, you'll learn to get everything you want. We aren't in an information age, we are in an entertainment age. Most people fail in life because they major in minor things. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.